Hey there, how are you doing? This is your host from ASUS Zenfone Lite L1. So after a long time we are making another video on another ROM installation video. So currently we have Corvus OS for this device. So I'm really excited to check it out. I already used the Corvus OS in some other devices. It was really cool, and we have customizations, tons of customization, and it is created from the source of Dirty Unicorn, which I never tried before, but I heard of that having some great customizations in it. So thanks for INDER for making this one for this device. We made a poll about the Corvus OS in TechFanciers channel. There I get something like 70% of people have really excited about this Corvus OS, but still 30% is really high. They don't even care about that. So in this video we will be seeing how to install the Corvus OS. So I will try to cover a review also in some next or in upcoming videos after trying this for some other time. But we have tons of ROMs now, so I need to take a look on that. I need to install them, and I need to make it continuously. So also I need to cover on GSIs and those things in different platform. So considering those things, we'll start the video. So right now I'm going to reboot to right now I'm in evaluation next, and I'm going to reboot to recovery. Wait a second, I have an issue with this power button. Okay, reboot to as you can see in our previous video, we have installed the Orange Fox recovery. So yeah, we will be making the installation through that. Okay, so now we are in the recovery. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe things, which is for system, vendor, data and cache. So I'm already in custom ROM, so yeah, I'm just wiping the data. Once it got wiped, just go back, files, and I need to go to SD card. In the SD card I have a Corvus folder, and we have Corvus 8.0 Tsushima, so not required. I'm just Corvus. It takes some time, so be patient. And due to some reasons in the Corvus build, it doesn't support the boot animation, which means like native, it will show the native Android boot animation, which like the Android logo, Android text, and it will glow and docs. So those animation only will come. To fix that issue, we actually have the boot animation.zip file, which we need to flash after this, I guess. So whatever it is, we'll just try to directly boot, and we'll check what is happening, and after that we'll reboot again and we'll install the zip file so that we can check what actually it is changing. Also, I heard some of the people that there are some issues we are having in this. I'm not sure whether it is true or not, but in the channel, in the Telegram, we have noticed INDER have posted one thing like, for some reasons the loudspeaker have some issues. We'll check that whether it has. We have a fix for that also, so yeah, and reboot. And now I didn't install any G apps, so I guess it doesn't need. Okay, we'll check. And some of you guys asking like, this ROM have a good battery, but this one have a great gaming experience, this one have something like that. But I would say, see here it is showing the boot animation of Android. normal thing. But what I would say is mostly all the custom ROMs which we are making, which INDER is making, will be like same, mostly same. Will be having the same gaming performance and all, I guess. In some other channel you would see that different ROMs with different performance. They will say Corvus have a good gaming performance and this one has, this one has. They do like that because they wanted you to watch the video. So but mostly it is same. You might, there is some fluctuations here and there, but it's mostly same. So finally we have booted into Corvus, so we'll check how those things work. Before that we'll just reboot to recovery and check. Okay, camera is working. Okay, before that we'll just check if we have an option to do the Raven's layer, power menu, advanced restart. Okay, we have it, advance and recovery. So now I'm going to install the boot animation. We'll check. It has some electrifying Raven thing goes there, so we'll check on that. It's just for a demonstration purpose, but when you are installing, you can directly install the OS and then the boot animation. I really like this orange box. We also have some other recovery project which we'll cover next to this. We'll see. So now I am heading over to SD card, Corvus. Here I have the boot file. It is like 7 MB, I guess. Wait. Okay, so I need to use one hand. Okay. Okay, so now I am just rebooting to system. So hopefully now it will show the Raven this one screen, Corvus boot animation. Yes, this is the one. I'm not sure, we have some background noises, but yeah, this one looks cool. Can I take a screenshot of this? Okay, great. This looks great. Corvus. Okay, so now things are working fine, I guess. So, and I have heard that it won't show the Alt icon, but it does work, the Alt. So we'll check on that. Yes, we have the hots. What I would say is we have a loudspeaker issue. Earpiece is working fine, so no problem. So whichever problem we have in Pixel, we have the same here. So we'll just we have a fix, as I told. So just we are rebooting to recovery again. I need to go to service center. Advanced recovery. So now what we are going to do is we have a build.prop file which we need to replace in the vendor partition. I will show you with this orange fox, but you will have the same option in TWRP or some other recovery projects. But in Orange Fox recovery, it is like in the install option itself. In the file manager, we have directly where you can install the files and you can do all the things. But in TWRP, you have different option in different field to open the file manager. So that's kind of a bummer, but we'll see. So now what I'm going to do is I have the file. Before that, we need to mount the storages, so I'm just going to mount, and I'm just mounting all the things, and I need to be here in the dash. This is a root folder, so here we have build.prop. so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check permission. Okay, you just have the read and write permission. So now I need to go to storage, micro SD card and Corvus OS. Here I have a build.prop which I need to copy and paste inside the vendor. Yes, that's done. And let me just wipe the factory wipe to the factory wipe. So now reboot. Now I'm just going to do a turn off. After that, we'll just boot to the device. So it's not booting, and I'm not sure. Earlier also I did this thing multiple times, but this didn't booted, so I'm not sure where it is lagging. So I'm just going to reboot to recovery as it is not booting. I'm not sure. So maybe it is happening due to the permission problem. So let me check it. So this thing isn't booting. So yeah, so I tried this one multiple times with setting the multiple permission, but it is not working here. Maybe this changing the build.prompt works in Evoke OS, official Evoke OS. So yeah, as of now, you have to use with the loudspeaker problem. Hopefully this may be fixed in next builds. And it is. So now I'm just going to boot to recovery using the fast boot mode. It will hopefully boot to my TWRP. So in TWRP we have option to set the permission to chmod 755. Let me check that. Advanced. Before that we need to mount the vendor, and advanced, and then file manager, we are in the root, that's good, and vendor, what man, this camera, and build.prop and chmod 755. I guess this is not a permission issue. If the permission is not there, it won't even boot. So this is the final try. If it is not working, we can't fix this issue. It's not even having the G app, so it should boot in 1 minute or something like that.
Two hours later.
Okay, so this one is not even booting. So yeah, so the final thing is, like, you can't fix the loudspeaker issue. The loudspeaker issue will be there. So yeah, hopefully in the next builds those things will be fixed. So the conclusion is just wipe those 4 things and install the install the ROM and then install the boot animation. That will make the thing boot. And yeah, if you want this loudspeaker thing should work, then use some other ROMs like Evaluation X or AEX, something like that. So yeah, that's what about this video. Hopefully enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel to get to the videos of your favorite device Lite L1. Bye.